Former England footballer David Beckham and his wife Victoria Beckham have remained silent after their eldest son Brooklyn Peltz issued a tell-all statement accusing them of damaging his life and that of his wife, actor Nicola Peltz. In a detailed post on Instagram stories, Brooklyn alleged that the Beckham family has sidelined him since his wedding by refusing to design a dress for his wife, hijacking their first dance, and not inviting her to David's 50th birthday celebrations last year. However, David did seem to allude to his son's controversial statement. He made the reference in an interview while talking about the importance of social media. They make mistakes. Children are allowed to make mistakes. That's how they learn. So that's what I try to teach my kids. But you have to sometimes let them make those mistakes as well. Brooklyn posted a lengthy statement on his Instagram stories addressing the widely speculated rift within the Beckham family, particularly between his parents, him and his wife. He alleged that the strain began before his wedding and has continued since, claiming his parents have repeatedly tried to undermine his relationship. Brooklyn further wrote that his mother backed out of designing Nicola's wedding dress at the last minute, despite Nicola's excitement, forcing her to scramble for an alternative. Brooklyn went on to allege that his mother hijacked his first dance with Nicola on their wedding day and danced inappropriately on him in front of hundreds of guests, adding that he never felt more uncomfortable or humiliated in his life. He further claimed that his parents repeatedly pressured him and even attempted to bribe him to sign away his rights. When he refused, he said it impacted his earnings and that they never treated him the same after that. Earlier this month, Brooklyn reportedly sent a legal notice to his parents on Nicola's birthday, severing ties and asking that all communication go through lawyers. The explosive claims have deepened the public rift within one of football's most high-profile families. With David Beckham's remarks widely seen as a veiled response and Brooklyn standing firm by his account, the Beckham family dispute now plays out in full public view.
I don't know whether to call it a magazine or a newspaper.
What can I say? As you can see, the iconic screen magazine. It is. I'm on the cover. It's really nice to be on the cover.
Karan, this is your surprise for the evening.
I remember there were so many times that he would just turn back and he'd look at me and I was like, Agnipath.
माँ के पैरों के नीचे स्वर्ग है, अरे बाप के पैरों के नीचे जायदाद है।
गीत और आदित्य का अभी ब्रेकअप हो रहा है, फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए हैं वो दोनों एक दूसरे से, है ना? आदित्य बोल रहा है ये अपनी आपकी खुद की फेवरेट है, कौन झेल सकता है इसे?
If you could legalize one thing in India, what would it be? Prostitution, gambling, or marijuana?
I can't hear you.
We have seen you as more of a glamour role in South Indian movies. And you went to Bombay. I don't know what transformed you. You're today totally different role.
Feel nepotism or no nepotism, I'm here. किसी के बाप की इंडस्ट्री नहीं है.
कहीं ना कहीं मेरी भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज कई बार ऐसे गई हैं जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लगा कि maybe I should have gotten the opportunity rather than someone who's from the family.
I love reading your reviews. When you really love something, you genuinely have, and that means a lot.
But that's the whole thing. You guys don't give up in life.
I wish you all the very best. May Screen digitally prosper.